Good morning guys! Another day here in Cebu. And papunta kami ngayon sa Mualboal, Cebu. Kung di nyo alam guys, yung Mualboal is one of the best beach dito sa Cebu guys. So if nandito kayo sa Cebu, recommended talaga siya na puntahan nyo. So Mualboal guys is 3 hours drive from Cebu City. And right after guys, nag-stop over kami sa Karkar. If you don't know, Karkar is also known for the best lechon guys. So kung nag-private car kayo, I suggest na mag-stop over kayo sa Karkar to have some lunch with your family.
Hi guys! Good evening! Very sorry, ngayon na ako nakapag-vlog. Nandito na kami sa Mualboal, Cebu guys. And we'll be staying here for one night. So, dumating kami around 3 in the afternoon. So, dumiretso na kami doon sa Basdako, which is the White Sand area. Ngayon, nandito kami sa place, sa Panagsama, which is the diving area. So, yung beach dito, walang white sand. Puro siya mga bato-bato, but it's nice. Yung nagstay kami yung name ng resort is Marcia. Hindi ko lang natandaan, basta it's very good place guys. It's very peaceful. So it's around 5:30. Kakarating lang namin. Nagsato lang kami. Sobrang laki ng room guys. So kinuha namin 3 rooms. So each room has different style and layout ng bed. But overall, the place is nice. They have pool. The downside lang is hindi pwedeng magdala ng pet. So buti na lang pumayag sila na yung pet namin is inokayhan nila yung pet namin kasi nagdala kami 2 aso. So sinabihan na lang namin hindi namin papalabasin doon lang sa isang kwarto. So yun. Sato lang muna kami and then nagbihis lang ako kasi mag-swimming kami guys kasama yung mga kiddos. So yeah, I will update you later yung how much is the room cost and yung mga other expenses namin dito sa Mualboal. So yeah, see you later!
So, after pala namin mag-swimming, guys, and right after mag-dinner, so yung mga gore, nag-decide kami na pumunta sa mga bar nila dito sa isla. So, actually, yung Panagsama, guys, is parang mini Boracay siya, lahat na mga bars nandun. So, yun, nag-decide kami na why not to try since nandito naman kami sa Mualboal.
Your middle name is phenomenal. You are like a superstar and nothing
Happy morning! It's Saturday morning, gloomy Saturday morning.
Good morning.
And right now, we'll be doing turtle watching and sardines. So the price is 400 pesos each, guys. So my free na what you call this one? There's a free gear and everything. So medyo
kasama ng tour guide.
Oo, may tour guide na siya. Medyo ang lamig. Woo! So na-try na namin tong turtle watching when we went to Apu Island last year. So right now, dito kami sa Mualbual. So I really don't know na meron palang ganito dito. So yeah, I'm so excited to try again and see the sardines. Hi guys! Pa-check out na kami and we're going to Oslo. So it's already 10, exact 10 a.m. in the morning and we're ready to go to Oslo, guys. So malapit lang siya dito, as what I said. So yeah, see you there! Guys! Hi! We're here in Oslo, Tanawan, Oslo. So we're staying in Brumini Resort, guys, which is malapit lang siya kung saan yung whale watching. Just a few blocks away. So yun yung area doon ng whale watching. Doon banda. So it's already past 12. It's already 12:25 ng hapon. So, malayo pala siya from Mualbual. I think it will take almost 2 hours, guys. Private car pa yun. So, medyo malayo pala siya. Akala ko 1 hour lang. But anyway, maya-maya, pupunta kami sa Sumilon Island. Nandyan lang sa tapat ng resort. So, it's another island, guys. So, yung bangka daw namin is 2,500. Good for 10 people. So, yes. Nagantay na lang kami. Welcome to Sumilon Island! We're here! Picture, be picture! It's so funny! Okay!
Hi guys! Welcome to my life!
Hi! We're here in Sumilon! Hi, here! So guys, we're in Sumilon Island. It's already 2 p.m. So yung so init. So init. Yung binayaran namin guys is 100 for environmental fee and sa bangka is 2,500 good for 10 people. So yeah, ang ganda ng dagat. Nakabalik na kami sa resort. Nandito na kami sa Brumini Resort ulit, guys. It's already 4:30. So, from Sumilon Island, guys, yung last trip talaga ng bangka is 4 p.m. So, we have to leave before 4 p.m. guys. Kasi yung alon, medyo malakas na. And, pinagbabawal na yung after 4 p.m. So, yun. Nandito kami ulit. And then, nandito ako sa dagat ulit, guys. So, kung magtampisaw muna sa dagat. So, I don't know if yung sunset dito banda o sa kabilang side. Pero wala pa naman akong nakikita. So, I will just wait for the sunset. Yung iba, nagsettle na sa room nila. Yung mga bata. Nasa swimming pool. We've been here last week, guys. Nung pumunta kami ng Dumaguete. Dito kami nag-stay for a night. And, kasi malapit lang din siya sa Dumaguete Port. So, if you want to visit Dumaguete also, you can also visit Dumaguete, guys. Nearby lang yung port going to Dumaguete, and it will take only 15 minutes. So, yung experience namin, so if you will bring sedan car, yung rate is 900. So, I think yung driver kasama na din doon. So, yun yung pagkakaalam ko, guys. So, yeah. Nakaupo lang ako dito. I'm still waiting for the sunset. And maybe we will continue our drinking session here, guys.